Good afternoon, friends. How's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm going to be making some crock pot apples. I have peeled a 3-pound bag of gala apples, which it was about 11 apples in there. They wasn't big at all. So I peeled them and cut them up. And now I'm going to coat them in some cornstarch. Best I can. This will make the sugar and the liquid that comes off the apples thick and syrupy, like a Cracker Barrel apple. If you remember, if you've ever had a Cracker Barrel apple. Now I'm going to dump these in the crock pot. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. And a half a cup of white sugar. And a half a cup of brown sugar. Now I'm going to add a half a cup of water just to start it off cooking. My house is going to smell good here in a little bit. Now these are going to cook for 2 hours. These are looking good and smelling good. See how thick that sugary stuff is? That's what makes it good. I might have to can a few of these because it's quite a few of them. Too many for me to keep to eat. So we'll see. Just a little bit longer. And now the finished product. It smells so good. I'm going to see if I can get me a bite, but they're awfully hot. So good. These are the best apples I have ever fixed. Smells just like the fall of the year here in my house. Cooler weather and cinnamon apples. Anyway. Quote of the day: be kind even on your bad days. Y'all have a good night and thanks for watching.